Android SDK software development kit is a large and powerful tool that's essential if you're looking to get into Android app development. It serves a number of other purposes too, such as using the command line to sideload apps into your Android phone. But there's quite a few details and things to consider when installing the Android SDK on your PC. The following guide should help you wade through the process. First of all, you want to make sure you're running the latest version of Java. Go to the website, link in the description, and click JDK download. Then scroll down and download the Windows x64 installer. Install Android Studio. Installing is pretty simple. On the Android Studio download page, link in the description, select Download Android Studio and follow the instructions. During installation, however, there are a couple of things to consider. The installer will offer to install an extra feature called Android Virtual Device, which creates an emulated environment to test various features and apps. You'll be asked again later whether you want to install this, so it doesn't matter if you skip it. Once you do this, and select an install directory, Android Studio will begin installing. It's a big program, so may take a little while. Once Android Studio is installed, open it. It will ask you whether you want to import your existing Android Studio settings. After that, click Next and follow the wizard, and then Custom to install custom components. If you want to use Java with your Android Studio projects, go to your Java directory when prompted. Select your theme and then pick any extra components you want to install. I recommend checking the performance box to improve Android emulation based on your processor, and you can again pick Android Virtual Device if you think you'll be using it. Keep clicking Next basically, and then finish when you're done. Once Android Studio is fully installed, open it and you're away. Well, apart from writing all these games. Click Create a New Project and feast your eyes on the great selection of templates that you can choose from. Or if you're feeling frisky, click Configure at the bottom right corner of the main Android Studio screen to open the SDK Manager, Virtual Device Manager and other things. So those are the basics, and that should get you going with the Android Software Development Kit. If you're not done messing around on Android, then perhaps you could read our guide on creating your own Android widget, as well as our own rundown of the best free music download apps for Android. Links to all of that in the description. Okay, as always, thank you so much for watching. That's all for now. I'll see you next time.